Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can add Amazon reviews to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make are Amazon reviews. So you want to go to the top right corner, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's completely up to you, and click login. Then you'll be here in applications and just write in the search Amazon, and here are Amazon reviews. Let's create a widget. Carousel reviews widget. You really choose which one you actually want, like slider here, and like I can choose even the slider, right? I can go continue with the template. Now I just add here the URL. Then you got the filters here, like total number of reviews to show. This is, you choose this option when you're gonna have a list. Filters, sorting, and you can change the layout and also the review style, how it looks. And now just click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. You can also check out the annual plan. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is pretty simple. Click plus, write code, and paste the code here and apply. And voila, here we got it. So now when I click done and save, look at this. Quite beautiful, right? And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.